Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be recoating the bimini top on the Proline. Alright, so we just washed the entire boat off. We use this product. It's 303 multi-surface cleaner. It says recommended for Sombrella. Now I did notice as I was washing, I did get a lot of green coming up, which is of course the color of my top. So that's a little concerning, but it doesn't look like it's a different color now or anything, which is good. So it's probably just a little bit surface stuff that it washed off. Now we'll wait for it to dry, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to waterproof it, and we should be good for another couple years. Okay, so we got our top washed. It's dried now. The next step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to coat it with some waterproofing. This is waterproofing and a UV protectant, and we're going to soak this whole thing down and let it dry, and that should be it. Okay, there you have it. Took us maybe, time we wash it and coated it without the drying time, maybe 25 minutes, maybe a half hour total to do this quick little project. Something you want to do every year or two. It'll keep that sunbrella or whatever your fabric coating happens to be, covering happens to be. It'll keep it lasting a long time. Keep it waterproof, which is the key, because when it's raining, you want to stay dry under there, and all your electronics happens to be underneath there. That's how they're going to stay dry if that remains waterproof. So something you can do in your driveway. You can do it like I did right here on the lift. Like I said, about a half hour. Total, we used about 1 container of cleaner, and we used 2 containers of the spray sealant. Now, the reason being, take a look how big that T-top is. This T-top is 6 feet across, 8 feet long. So that's double the size of the average T-top. So that's why we had to use a lot more. But I like to stay in the shade. So there you go. Leave any comments or questions below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you can come see our next tip. Thanks.